Let me ask you something real. Why haven't you left your 9 to 5 yet? I'm not here to hype you up or sell you a course. I really want you to sit with that question. Because if you are watching this, there's a part of you that is tired of clocking in and tired of the routine of building someone else's dream. Is it because you think you need 100K saved up? Is it because you have bills, kids, and responsibilities? Is it because no one around you has ever done it and you're afraid to be a pioneer? Or maybe you convinced yourself that your 9 to 5 is safe, but it's slowly killing your joy. Again, I'm not judging. I know exactly what a mental prison feels like. I worked a 9 to 5 just like you. Showing up early, staying late, no reward, climbing the ladder, and going nowhere. It just feels like a loop.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
My name is Eric Pinkney, your tour guide on the road from 9 to freedom. Here, I preach financial freedom through real hustle, real estate, and real results. Stick around. I have 2 bonuses for you at the end of this video. To escape the rat race, I studied real estate, failed the state exam, got back on the bike, and passed. And since then, I've been building on my portfolio. Not because I had it all figured out or I had a lot of money saved up, because I didn't. But I believe that there had to be more than just emails, calls, clocking in and out, building someone else's dream and putting my dreams on pause. Now I generate income from a corporation that runs 3 businesses. This is 9 to freedom. I'm showing real moves on this platform, how to form LLCs, how to get funding for your businesses, secure assets, flip houses, invest in rental income property, and escape the rat race. You don't need perfection, and you damn sure don't need permission. You just need action. And this channel 9 to freedom is built to walk you through it all. It's time for our Toasty tip of the day. Toasty! Every video that I post will have information that you can utilize instantly. Here are the 2 bonuses I promised you. Number 1, click right here at the bottom of the screen. This is a step-by-step video walkthrough on how to start your very own LLC right here in North Carolina. Follow the steps in this video and you will form your very own LLC in less than 10 minutes and only 135 bucks. Number 2, download the free guide in the description, Real Estate Investors for Beginners. You just need to move 1 step at a time, 1 play at a time, 1 property at a time. Action builds momentum, and momentum opens doors that money can't. I'm gonna drop a video like this every week. And yes, I will be starting a podcast soon. Drop a comment and tell me what's holding you back. We're not watching other people get wealthy anymore. We are gonna do this together. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share with your mom and them.